Hello everybody, hope you're all doing great, and in this short video I'm just showing you how to create a contact form. Here I'm designing a website and now I'm just working on the contact form. Simply, it's not that complicated. Here I want to add a form. It's not edited well, so I go to, first of all I go to backend and I go to plugin and I search for some plugin. I already searched for the Ninja form. It's a plugin and people are normally using, and here it is. 1025 people are using and the rating is also good. Some other people are using the CF7 form and there are a lot of forms here, so I prefer this one and I already installed, just I want to activate it. When I want to, okay, now it is activated. Simply go to that Ninja form. Let me find it. Okay, and I click on this. Okay, here you can create a new form. Here you already we have a form, and let me see, contact me. Name, email, I think it's okay. Contact me, that's fine. And just close this one. And this is the code. I just want to copy it. Or simply, since I'm editing with the Elementor, I'm just coming here in Elementor. I should be added here. Ninja form widget. I just added right here. And this is the form which we just created. Display the title, contact me, no need title, okay, and apply. Here it is, our form, and now we can add a, let's say, a new section here for, let's say, what, maybe a Google map. Okay, let me, we have a widget here called Google map, and simply you can drag and drop, and you give your address. For example, this company which I'm designing the website is in Mount Livinia, Colombo, Sri Lanka. And this is just a Google map for this, and you can type like that. And that's all. Your form is created. Simply can refresh.